The next product that we really love is the Herbion Cough Syrup for children. It is for kids over 6, so we haven't personally used it, but if your kid is over 6 and they're having cough and congestion, this will be really, really great. It's cherry flavored. Diana, do you like cherry flavor?
No.
No? Okay. Well, maybe when she's 6 she'll like cherry flavor. But this is a great one to keep in your pantry or your medicinal